We have seen in the society thousands of people they are educated, but that not humanity quality is very less of them. So, a school, it is an unique school. This school should produce not only educated student, but proper human being should be produced from this Dreamland Academy. Only then the people of this vast area will have a faith on your academy. Now it is started from nursery, and I hope if you cooperate, if the teachers produce a brilliant result, it will be one day a beautiful college in this area. It will be upgraded to the college. Both the faculties, science and arts, it is very much necessary. It is CBSE course school. Now all over India is running is a CBSE course. Our Assam, I was the principal of a big school, A. Latif Girls Higher Secondary School at Mankachar. I was the assistant teacher, and later on I became the principal. I always used to say that even in my farewell meeting, I requested them to create an ideal school and ideal college. So long I was in the teaching profession, I feel proud that my two students are sitting in both the left and the right side. They are very lovely students, beloved. Still I love them very much, as because I could able to teach them not only ABCD, not only Oakoko, but humanity. Today they showed their respect to me. I feel proud. I pray to the Almighty for their better in future life. So, it is school. It is nursery school, LKG, ME, UKG, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. We know there is several methods to teach the small student. Number 1, play method. One student should be taught in playing manner. Students are playing, but teacher should be there. During their play, teacher should teach them what is this, what is that, what is this. That education will be a correct and perfect. Only committing memory and vomiting in the examination is not the education system. Kindergarten paddhati system, gardening system, our little children should be taught. Only then, in future, they will be a perfect educationist and a perfect human being. You know, we the people are always saying, somebody will always think that I have no money, how can I will make my son doctor or engineer or IS or APS, MPS. No, financial condition never hindrance to be a good, produce a brilliant result. You know, our present DC Dhokri, South Salman Mankachar, he is a son of a Tamil Bepari. He himself also sells Tamil in the off time. But now, he become IAS officer. He is ruling our district, very famous IAS officer. Not only that, you have heard in the news, a few days ago, the results of the APSSC examination come out. There, one son of rickshaw, one rickshaw son become a CS officer. You know, you have heard in the news that in Maharashtra, Bombay, one very poor man, his business only thelagari, you know, taking the mal on the car,